Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up two-factor authentication for your crypto.com account. This crucial security measure adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding your valuable digital assets from potential unauthorized access. Before we begin, please ensure you have an authenticator application, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, downloaded and ready on your mobile device. This app will generate the time-sensitive codes needed for verification. Let's get started with securing your account. To begin, open your crypto.com application and log into your account. Once inside, locate and tap on the Settings menu, which is typically represented by a gear icon or found within a hamburger menu. From the Settings list, select the Security option. Within the Security section, you will find and choose two-factor authentication to start the activation process. The app will then guide you to the next step, which involves linking your Authenticator application. Upon selecting two-factor authentication, the crypto.com app will present you with a unique QR code and a manual setup key. Now, open your chosen Authenticator application on your device. Within the Authenticator app, select the option to add a new account. You can either scan the QR code displayed on your crypto.com app screen, or, if scanning is not possible, manually enter the provided key. Once linked, your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating a new 6-digit code every 30 to 60 seconds. Finally, switch back to your crypto.com application. You will see a field prompting you to enter the verification code. Quickly retrieve the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app and input it into the crypto.com app. Make sure to enter the code before it expires and a new one is generated. Confirm the code to finalize the setup. Congratulations! Your crypto.com account is now protected with two-factor authentication, adding a robust layer of security to your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.